So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from any audios without using any software so that your audio will look like a audio that has been recorded on a studio. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for Adobe Audio Enhancer. You can see it's right there. Now just simply open this first website, which is podcast.adobe.com. Once you go over there, here it will ask you to sign in. You can sign in using any of the account, any of your Gmail account, and it's totally free process. All you need to do is to just simply upload your file, and here you're gonna see how your file will look. Here's an example.
I'm in a conference room with
Now after enhancing the speech, it will look something like this.
the window open, and it's pretty.
You can clearly see the difference. Your audio will going to be very enhanced. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.